Welcome back, everyone. I'll go and show you how to fix your iPhone just in case you're in a situation where it keeps telling you there's no service on your phone. Now, this happens for a couple of different reasons. There's never just one reason why these things happen. But recently, if you've been following, there may be some issues with your iOS version that you're on. Now, if you're on the latest and greatest version of iOS, then you may be okay. But what I would recommend you doing is hopping inside of your settings app like this. You want to scroll down until you get into General, which is right here. You want to go into software update, which is right here. And what you want to do is you want to see if there's a software update available for your device. Now, a majority of the time, there will probably be a software version updated. If not, you may have to check in here periodically throughout the week, maybe a couple weeks in a row, in order for there to be an update here. So basically, that can fix itself. Sometimes it's a software issue, there's nothing really else you can do, and you're just going to have to do that. Now, if that doesn't work and it doesn't seem like anybody else is complaining about it online, the next thing I would recommend doing is actually taking out the SIM card of your phone and probably taking it out of the card holder, putting it back in, and then inserting it back into the phone itself. So what does this look like? Well, essentially you get a SIM card eject tool, you push it right where exactly you had it before for your iPhone SIM card. You take out that SIM card, you kind of take it out. You can kind of blow on it. I wouldn't recommend doing it, but you want to go ahead and then just insert it back in. You want to turn the phone back on, and you will probably see that the phone is probably fixed now. You may start getting bars, you may not be getting this no service option up there, and you'll probably be good to go. Now, on top of this, let's say you're in an area where you don't have any Wi-Fi or you don't have any cell signal, and then you're not going to have signal no matter what. So if you're in a super deep basement of somewhere and there's no Wi-Fi or anything, you're going to get no signal no matter what you do, or no service no matter what you do, because there is no service there. But if you're in the middle of somewhere that's really popping, or other people around you have the same signal as you do, and they also they have T-Mobile, Verizon, and they are getting bars but you're not, then you may have an issue with your device in and of itself. And in that case, you may want to double check the IMEI number or the serial number, and you want to make sure that your phone actually wasn't stolen or something like that. Because this has happened to me one time where I was using a phone and I actually ended up getting a no service or no SIM card inserted, even though I had a SIM card inserted. And I found out that the phone was actually stolen, which is crazy. And they reported it stolen, and I had to go and return it back because somebody sold it to me. This crazy story. So what you want to do here is you want to go inside of your settings app. You want to click General. You want to click About, which is the first option right here. And you want to take this IMEI number, which is right here. You want to take this IMEI number right here, and you want to go ahead and just insert it onto some IMEI checker online. And you want to see if it tells you that the phone is good. If it's good, and if it's on the white list, then you're set. If it's on the black list, then you may have an issue and you may have to return the phone to the original owner, or whatever the case is, or pay off the past due balance, or whatever the thing is. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.